Pink and Maine, and I'm excited to share with you today our August 2022 new product release. We have lots of goodies to share, so let's jump right in. Can you believe it's August? It's time for school to start, and fall is right around the corner. We have some new enamel dots, and these beautiful rainbow colors. Nice basic set to have. Our new incentive set for the release is called Happy Harvest. So we have this beautiful pumpkin with some acorns and leaves around it with some nice fall sentiments and coordinating dies. If you spend $35, you're going to get this stamp set automatically added to your cart. If you spend $65, you're going to get the coordinating die automatically added to your cart. You can also purchase it separately if you like, but this is our incentive set. That will be good until supplies last or through August 27th. Our next stamp set with coordinating dies is called Cute Ghosts. And look at those two adorable ghosts. One has a little jack-o'-lantern bucket full of candy that's falling out, and the other one's holding a jack-o'-lantern balloon, and they're just too cute. You got the sentiments, you are spooktacular, trick or treat, and boo. Next is our Halloween Brew, and it's another 3x4-inch stamp set, and it's got the sweetest little spiders. I don't know, can you call spiders sweet? I surely don't like them when they're crawling around me, but these are really cute. We've got one with a cauldron there, and there's a little tiny frog on the cauldron, and this one is riding on the broomstick. So the sentiments say, if the broom fits, ride it, creepin' it real, happy Halloween, and let's brew up some fun. And we have coordinating dies to go along with this set. At the first of the month, I showed you this stamp set and dies. This is our stamp of the month. Now there's still time to subscribe and get this as the stamp of the month or the stamp and die of the month. It's a really great value. You can buy them now individually. The stamp set retails for $16 and the die for $18. That's if you buy them individually, but you can get them as the stamp and die of the month for $12 for the stamp of the month. And if you want the coordinating die as well, you can get them both for $24. This is called Fall Mice, and it's a super cute set for all your fall creating. Speaking of fall creating, our next stamp set and coordinating dies is the Fall Snow Globe Scenes. So now we have a complete year of snow globe scene stamp sets. We have winter, summer, spring, and now fall. All the little scenes go perfectly in our empty snow globe stamp and die, or you can use them individually too. They're super cute, just put on any kind of card creation that you make. Now our next set is called Coco For You, and it's just too cute. Our Mugs and Kisses stamp set that came out last season for the holidays that had the Christmas mugs. It was so popular. Everyone loved it. It's one of my favorites. I just had to come out with a set that was similar for the fall. This is Coco For You, and we've got these adorable little fall mugs. We got a bear with a scarf. We have a scarecrow. We've got a cute little fox and a pumpkin. The sentiments are, I love you more than pumpkin spice, and that's a latte. Warm and cozy wishes, warm autumn blessings, happy fall. I'm Coco For You, and to perk you up. And we've got some nice little additions that go along with it. So you could stick a little sunflower outside of the mug, or some little leaves. There's a little pumpkin. It's a super cute set, and we have coordinating dies to go with it as well. Our next set is called Modern Foliage. It has a coordinating dies available to go along with it. You can stamp these big, bold leaves. Think of all the beautiful fall colors you could stamp these leaves in. And then you can also stamp the veins to the leaves to go with them. Some of them look like trees. You could make little trees going across your card. This is a really versatile set to make some nice fall foliage cards. Nice backgrounds. You've got dots that you could add to the leaves, you know, as little spots. We have some nice sentiments, autumn greetings, congratulations, with gratitude, wishing you well, hello my love, sending love, best wishes, and happy fall. Our next set is a giant one. It's a 6x8 stamp set called Bold Leaves. These are gorgeous, bold leaves that stamp out. We have some really pretty scripty font sayings To go with it, we have thank you, hello friend, many blessings, autumn greetings, grateful for you, along with these big, bold, imagine them embossed with beautiful, shiny embossing powders, or you can stamp them in nice, bold colors. We have the coordinating dies that go along with it. It even cuts out the sentiments. Flip this packaging over so I can show you. We also have a coordinating stencil. So you can use this stencil by itself. It creates beautiful leafy designs, just like the stamp set, that you can blend ink through, or you can put it over your stamped designs to color the leaves in. We have 2 standalone dies this month. This is Leafy Dies Set 1 and Leafy Dies Set 2. Both of these dies have a solid leaf design that they cut out, as well as an outer outline type leaf design that cuts an outline of the leaf along with the veins in the center. So you can use them separately or together, meaning you can cut out just the background leaf design and use that. You could cut out the outline and just use that, or you can layer the outline on top of the background die. So they can be used in a variety of ways, and they create like a beautiful, elegant look to your fall cards. We have 2 new colors for our cardstocks. These are 100-pound cardstocks. They're nice and sturdy. You can make your card bases out of them, but you can also use them for layering on your cards. We have Street Light, it's just a beautiful yellow, and we have On the Green, which is a really nice, I would say like a Christmas green. It's that true green color. We have 2 new 6x6 embossing folders this month. The first one is called Micro Dots. So it's a nice Swiss dot pattern, just tons of little polka dots on there. You can never go wrong with polka dots. So we have our folder from before that has the larger polka dots, and this has that nice little tiny little Swiss dots to create a really nice textured background for your cards. Our second embossing folder, I'm so excited about this one. This is a new embossing cut folder. If you have not tried some of our embossing cut folders, what are you waiting for? These are so much fun. So with one pass through your cutting machine, you're gonna cut out these fall leaves, but it's also going to emboss the pattern inside the leaves on the paper. Creates super fun texture and dimension for your cards. These are a lot of fun to play with. So this is our fall leaves emboss and cut folder. We also have 2 brand new quick card kits for you this month. If you have not tried our quick card kits, you got to try them. These are so much fun to put together. There's lots of layers to them. They are just super cute. Here is a sample on the back of 2 of the cards. In the Halloween one, you get 8 card bases, 8 envelopes. You get the die cuts to make 8 different cards, along with some glossy dots for embellishments. There is a photo assembly guide in all of them so that you have images to put the cards together, or you can put them together however you like, mix and match the pieces. So this is our new Halloween quick card kit, and we also have Autumn Cuties. So this one is full of beautiful fall autumn colors and some adorable little critters to go along with the leaves and pumpkins. Look, there's 2 examples of the cards inside. Again, you get 8 cards, 8 envelopes, all the die cuts you need to make these cards, as well as some embellishment. And these are super fun. So you got to check these out. Last but not least, we have 5 new embossing powders. Oh, and they are gorgeous. We have Lilac, Black Ice, Detail Clear, Sherbet, and Martini Olive. So let's see what they look like. Lilac is a beautiful purple with matching purple glitter. Black Ice is black embossing powder with gunmetal gray, like super dark gray glitter to go along with it. It's super sparkly and shiny when you emboss it. Our Detail Clear is just what it says. It's a super, super microfine clear embossing powder. All of our embossing powders are a mixture of super fine detail along with regular grain embossing powders. They have great coverage, they have great height lift when you emboss them on your paper, and they're made in the USA. This is Martini Olive. It's a beautiful apple green with coordinating glitter inside. And we have Sherbet, which is orange with the coordinating glitter. These are great colors for fall and Halloween and beyond. You can use them anytime. I thought I'd emboss them to give you an idea. I don't think the camera picks up the beauty quite as you see it in person, but look at the sparkle, the shimmer and shine of these. The glitter does not flake off. So this is Martini Olive and this is Lilac. They're just beautiful. And here we have Sherbet and the Black Ice. Again, you just have to see them in person to see that beautiful sparkle and shine. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at our August 2022 new product release. We hope you love these products as much as we do. I can't believe it's time for fall and Halloween paper crafting, but it's here. I'm one of those that hold on to summer as long as I can. I love the summer. You can find these products and more at pinkandmain.com or ask your local retailer. Until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.